Hey everyone, welcome back to Genius Junkie, the home of smart design made simple. Today, I'm showing you how to create AI-generated videos in seconds using Google AI Studio and their powerful VO2 model. First, head over to aistudio.google.com and log in with your Google account. From the dashboard, click on Generate Media and select VO. Now on the right side, choose a model VO2. This is Google's newest text-to-video tool that generates stunning 8-second clips. Set up your video. Next, choose your aspect ratio. Go with 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Shorts and Instagram Reels. Then you have two options. Write a text prompt describing the scene, or upload an image that you want to animate. For this demo, I'll use a text prompt. Crafting the prompt. This is where the magic happens. Type in something like, a peaceful beach at sunrise, waves gently crashing, cinematic lighting. Want to get even better results? Add negative prompts like, no text, no distortion, no glitches. Keep your prompts clear, visual, and specific. Generate and download. Now hit run and give a few seconds. Once done, your 8-second video appears in the sidebar. Preview it, and if it's not perfect, tweak the prompt and regenerate. Happy with the result? Click download, and boom, your AI video is ready to use. You can now use these clips as YouTube intros, background loops, or even storytelling visuals for your Canva projects. So there you go, a full video in under a minute with zero editing skills required. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and drop a comment with your favorite AI video prompt. I might test it in the next episode.